A strip set is a group of strips sewn together, then cut into smaller segments. To make a strip set, here we're sewing 3 strips. It's best to start with strips that are about 22 inches. Here we've sewn 2 strips together. Before sewing, align the raw edges. Stitch with a 1/4 inch seam, adjusting raw edges as needed. With each strip added, set the stitching with your iron. Fold the top strip back and gently press the seam open on the right side. Aligning the horizontal lines on the ruler with the long edge and seam lines, trim the uneven ends of the strip set. Keeping the horizontal lines on the ruler aligned with the seam lines, cut the required segments. Strip sets allow you to cut many patches quickly and efficiently.